Busytown. Lots of things to do and see.
It's so much fun to be
a part of Busytown. We'll keep your spirits soaring
while we're exploring
our busy world. Let's go! You can make a lot of friends.
The good times never end
when you're in Busytown. Each adventure and surprise
will open up your eyes.
It's such a busy world in Busytown. Every day there's something new,
and you're invited too.
Come visit Busytown. It's time to watch the show.
The Busy World of Richard Scarry.
Everybody dress warmly for recess. It's cold outside, and the radio says it'll snow today. Okay. Please remember to listen to your new playground monitor. She's here to help. Don't slam the door. Here's your playground monitor vest, Hilda, so the children can find you.
I just love orange, Miss Honey.
Are you ready for your first day on the job?
I really am. I'm honored. Oops. Sometimes I forget how strong I am.
Well, you are stronger than the average girl.
Let's face it, I'm stronger than 10 average girls. Sorry, I'm a little excited.
Hilda, look out!
Here, Sally, catch! Oh, dear. Sally, are you all right?
Sure. Sorry about that, Sprout. Hilda, can you push me, please?
Sure, Kenny.
All right! Whee! Higher, Hilda! Higher! Give me a real push!
I hope I didn't scare you. Want to try again?
I think I'll just rest here a while. Hilda, would you please give us a spin?
I don't know if I should.
We want to go faster,
Oh, all right. But just a little one.
Faster!
Okay. Hang on tight. What have I done?
Wow, that was some ride.
I didn't know it could spin that fast.
Oh, dear. Oh, my.
And now for a weather update. A heavy snowstorm is headed this way. It's expected to hit us hard, so stay off the roads if possible.
Children, we must end school early today so you can all get home safely. All right. Proceed calmly.
Hurry, Hilda! You'll miss the bus.
That's okay. I'll just walk home.
Hilda, why are you still here?
Miss Honey, I can't be playground monitor anymore. Everyone's afraid to play with me. I'm just too strong.
Oh, your strength is a gift. You just need to learn how to use it.
Dangerous, icy driving conditions. Roads may be completely blocked by nightfall. Stay tuned for further weather updates.
Shouldn't we go faster, Spotty Leopard? We want to get home before we get stuck.
Nope, we have to take it slow. Slow and steady. Oh, hang on, kids! Is everyone okay? Well, looks like we're stuck. We better wait in the bus till someone comes down the road and sees us.
If they can see us down here.
Spotty Leopard, it's getting dark out. And cold.
All we can do is wait till someone comes.
Huckle, do you see what I see?
What is it?
Something orange.
Hilda!
Oh, no! It's the bus!
Hilda! Go get help!
Okay. No, wait! I have another idea. Everyone out of the bus!
Wow! She's even stronger than I thought.
Oh, you brave, brave hippo.
That was great!
Well, it was no big deal, guys.
Are you kidding? It's the greatest thing I ever saw in my life.
Hooray for Hilda! Yay!
Hilda Hippo's courage and strength saved the day, and her classmates awarded her a medal for heroism. And you thought being strong would scare people away. Okay, class, recess time.
Oops! Come on, everyone. Let's go play.
Imagine that.
Garbage!
Wait, Huckle. This isn't garbage. It can all be recycled.
What's recycling, Mr. Fix-It?
Don't waste, recycle. That means using things and using them again. Or making garbage something new. That's the recycling game. Separate newspaper, separate the glass. Separate plastic, it's a simple task. Even cans and metal tins have their own recycling bins. Glass jars and bottles can be made into something new. Used paper can be cleaned and reused to make greeting cards and drawing paper too. Pop bottles made out of plastic can be turned into binders or rulers. Fantastic! Don't waste, recycle. Recycling is a thing, it works.
Come on, Lily. Let's find more things to recycle.
We're in Egypt, an ancient land of monuments like the pyramids and the Sphinx. There are miles and miles of desert with only the occasional traveler. The occasional traveler? Down here, please. If you like very old things, and if you know where to look, there's no telling what you might dig up. Like this priceless vase from the time of Queen Cleopatra, or King Tut's teapot.
Eureka! A mummy. An ancient Egyptian mummy. Ooh, I must bring it to the Cairo Museum at once. People will come from all over to say, ooh, ah. Now, all I have to do is get it there. It's still a long way to the museum. I need a cool drink. You stay here.
Watch out! He's not wearing his glasses! I only need my glasses to read. Are you ready to eat?
Oh, yes.
Have you all washed your hands?
Oh, yes. Yes, of course. Yes, hungry.
One alfala, one makluta, one hummus bitahini, and you had the yakni samak.
Excuse me. I left my mummy outside, and could you please watch her while I make a call to the Cairo Museum and have a refreshing drink?
A fine thing, leaving his mummy outside in this heat. What manners! Why, if he were my son, Oh, how rude of me. Please, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ihab El Adog. And you are? Ah, but my dear lady, there is no need to be shy. Do please come inside and cool off a bit. I insist, madam. You'll be much more comfortable inside. Please, allow me to be of assistance. See, you are as stiff as a sarcophagus. You must have had a long journey in the desert. I find it hard to believe your son would leave his poor mummy unattended. 1,000 pardons, madam.
Wow! Whoa!
Here, let me put your feet up. Goodness, your poor feet are like wood. No wonder you can't walk. That son of yours must have made you walk for miles. My dear madam, do try and relax. I have an idea. Madam, some music will surely relax you. Why, as a matter of fact, may I have this dance? But you're a wonderful dancer, light as a feather. And allow me to compliment you. You have such exquisite eyes.
I'll be at the museum in just a little while. I just stopped in the cafe for a lemonade. Oh, yes, it's a beautiful mummy. No, nothing to worry about. She's in good hands.
A faster pace. Oh, please, a moment to catch my breath. Oh, goodness, I can hardly keep up with you. You must be quite thirsty. You are so mysterious, madam. I find that very attractive. You, sir. Yes, you. Please, stop staring at the lady. I'm warning you, my friend. The elegant lady is with me. Very wise, my friend, for had you persisted, I would have made you look mighty silly.
Watch out!
Knave, blackguard, sneaky guy, hit a man when his back is turned, will you? Why, I'll show you. Aha! Here you are. Ha! You're fast, my friend, I'll give you that, but you're no match for my quick reflexes. Professor, may I please have a word with you?
Why, yes, certainly.
It's about your dear mother.
Pardon me? My mother?
Yes, young man. Now, first of all, you have treated your mother very badly.
I have? Well, thanks for taking care of my mummy.
Oh. I say, have you ever seen anything like it? Madam must travel on the roof. What a dreadful son the professor is. Madam. Oh, poor madam.
So, in the end, Professor Dig delivered his mummy to the Cairo Museum, and she became quite an attraction.
Why, madam, I am so happy to see you. My, don't you look relaxed? And after such a long trip in the desert, I certainly hope your son is treating you better. I remember our last dance fondly. Perhaps we can do it again sometime. As a matter of fact, what are your plans this afternoon?
Play it safe.
Oh boy, a postcard from Hilda at the beach. I wish we were at the beach. We'd go swimming, build sand castles, play ball.
I love the beach. Everyone loves to go to the beach, play in the sand in their bare feet. When you're near the water, protect your skin. Put on a sunscreen before and after you're in. I love the beach. Always get permission before you jump in, so a grown-up or a lifeguard can watch you swim. Never swim alone, take a buddy instead. Swim where it's safe, where the water's not over your head. I love the beach. I love the beach.
Watch out for the wave, Lily!
Avast, mateys, on yonder isle we buries this here treasure. And this be our only map.
Then what happened?
Did the pirates ever come back for the treasure?
I'm afraid we'll have to wait till tomorrow to find that out.
Miss Honey, do you think there's any pirate treasure buried in Busytown?
Well, Huckle, in olden days, pirates could have sailed into Busy Bay.
Maybe we can find their treasure chest.
I bet they buried it on the beach.
Just remember, boys, we don't always recognize a treasure when we see it.
Let's go!
Yikes! Pirates!
It's just us, Mr. Fix-It.
Lowly, Huckle. Oh, that's a relief.
We're on our way to dig up some buried treasure so we can buy our own pirate ship.
Only we're not sure where to dig. Where would you look?
As I recall in the old stories, X always marked the spot.
But I don't see any... Wait, Lonely, I think it's over there. Come on! Bye, Mr. Fix-It! Shiver me timbers, this be the spot.
Aye, Captain Huckle. X marks the spot. 16 men on a pirate's chest.
Yo ho ho!
And here you go.
We'll be famous pirates for sure.
I wonder how deep they buried their treasure. We must be almost to China.
We can't stop now. Lonely, I hit metal. It sounded like gold.
Clank? Is that what gold sounds like?
No, silver. It's a silver goblet.
Gee, it looks like it sprang a leak.
Rats. It's just an old tin funnel. Maybe we didn't dig under the X.
But I was sure we did.
See? There's the X. No wonder we didn't find any treasure. This has gotta be it. Did you hear that sound? It was a kind of a clunk.
Doesn't silver go clunk?
Yes, but I think it's too big to be a silver coin. It's just an old wagon wheel. I don't think we'll dig up any pirate treasure here.
Uh-oh. Huckle, I hate to tell you this.
Aw, doggone it. That old shadow keeps moving because the sun keeps moving.
Boy, I bet this drove the pirates nuts.
Well, that treasure's gotta be here someplace.
Hey! Yes!
Ahoy there! So, what have you found, mates?
Well, it sure wasn't treasure, Mr. Fix-It. Look at all that junk.
An old beach umbrella, a towel, a doll, someone's t-shirt, old rope.
I wouldn't call this junk. Do you mind if I borrow this stuff?
You can keep it.
We're through hunting treasure.
I guess we can forget about buying our own pirate ship, Loli.
At least we have enough money for ice cream.
Uh-oh. Pretty poor pirates, huh?
No luck, huh? That's rough. But you know, boys, I can tell you how to find some real treasure.
Really? How, Bruno?
If you boys take this box and pick up any litter you find on the beach, I think I might be able to help you.
Oh, well, it beats digging.
Those boys don't know treasure when they see it. And this will do the trick. Nope. Maybe this'll work better. Voila! Oh boy. Aha!
Bruno sure has a funny idea of what treasure is.
You boys did some job. I've never seen the beach look so clean.
But where's the treasure?
You're looking at it. These cans and bottles can be recycled and made into new things. And your reward for tidying up the beach is 2 ice cream cones.
Wow! Thanks, Bruno!
Thank you!
Let's dig in, matey!
Well, if it isn't my favorite pirates, how did the hunt go?
You know what, Miss Honey? You were right. We don't always know treasure when we see it.
Ahoy on the shore! Are ye ready to cast off?
Our pirate ship!
Mr. Fix-It, how did you do it?
Like I always say, one person's junk is another person's treasure. Your ship awaits, Captain.
Wow!
Ready to raise anchor, Captain?
Cast off your bow lines!
Aye, aye, Captain.
So off that deck, me matey!
We're under sail now, Captain.
Batten down the hatches!
Aye, aye, sir.
Wow, what a show.